Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urvashi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about UX thinking versus product thinking and why designers go wrong and why some of the apps fail. So let's just talk about it. So first of all, I will explain you what is UX thinking. So you already know what is UX thinking. UX thinking is all about understanding the users, understanding their pain points, and making the app intuitive, useful, and easy to use. So here we are just focusing on the users. We are asking questions like, is this solving their problem? How we can make this app easy to use? How to make this app accessible to all kinds of users? So here we are just focusing on the users. We are not focusing on any other elements, on any other wider elements. So in this, product thinking comes in and it zooms out to the wider elements. So basically, in product thinking, we consider business goals, constraints, trade offs, or any other longer term impact that our product will have in the market. So, in product thinking, we ask questions like, should we build this? Or what will be the long term impact of building this app or this website? So basically we are focusing on the wider elements. We are asking questions like, what is the business goal for this product, and how it gonna impact our business in the long run. So basically we are focusing on the wider elements. We are zooming out. We are zooming out and we are considering the elements like business goal, constraints, trade offs, KPIs, metrics, and long term impact. So, basically, this is all about product thinking. And this is where most of the designers go wrong because they just focus on elements like narrow elements like only the users. I'm not saying that users are not important, but we have to consider other things as well while designing the product. Okay, so basically, nowadays designers are just doing very simple things like designing their product without understanding the problem. They are just polishing their UI without understanding the business goal. So, what is the point of doing that design if you are not focusing on any important elements? We have to consider both of them. We have to consider UX thinking, we have to consider product thinking. Both of them are very, very important. Okay, so I have seen people, I have seen designers on LinkedIn doing just UI. They are just doing UI. They have no thinking. They have no thinking behind the design. If I have asked any of them like, what was your goal behind creating this, most of them are not able to answer because they are just doing it without any goal. They are just creating it. They are just creating their product. They are just doing the client projects without having any goal in their mind. So basically, what happens sometimes when any client approaches, the client doesn't know about UX. Client doesn't know about product thinking. We have to make them understand. We have to explain them like, this is the UX thinking and this is the product thinking. We will not name these, but we will name the elements that comes under these two, and we will make them understand why these two are important for the success of their product. Okay, so let's just understand what is the key difference between these two. So if you want to understand the difference between these two, we will ask two questions, two important questions while understanding the difference. So I have written two questions for you, which is, for UX thinking, we just ask, how do we make this easy and enjoyable for users? Users, we are thinking for users in UX thinking. And for product thinking, we just ask, should we even build this? Should it move the needle? Move the needle means, will it make impact? Will it make the long-term impact in the market? So we are going beyond the users in product thinking. So this is the key difference. You don't have to get confused. It is very simple difference between these two. So what I am saying is we have to consider UX thinking as well as product thinking, because all the great products, all the successful products sits in the intersection of these two concepts, which is UX thinking and product thinking. It is very easy. You don't have to get confused. You can explore more about it. If you just shift your mindset, then you will see, you will get promoted to senior roles. You will become product manager someday, because they are thinking beyond the users. They are thinking about the business goals, constraints, trade-offs, everything. Okay, so it is very easy. You don't have to get confused. We just have to take small steps while creating the product. Okay, so basically, if you want to combine two of these together, then we can ask 2 or 3 questions that can clarify everything. So I have written some questions for you that you can note down on your notebook or on your notepad. So basically, before designing anything, you can ask, what problem are we solving? Who is this for? And what does success look like for this product, for this particular product? And how will this impact the product or business? So when you have these answers in mind, then your work will suddenly become strategic, not just aesthetic. So this is the difference between like product thinking and UX thinking, and how these two are very important in creating a successful product. So that was all I want to talk about in this video. And if you are a designer trying to level up, then you have to think users and outcomes. You have to think UX and product. And if you like this video, and if this video helped you in some way, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And do not forget to follow me on LinkedIn. Link is in the description. And I will see you all in the next one.